Hey everyone, and welcome back to MKK The Daily Pulse, your go-to spot for all the latest news. Alright, let's jump right into the action from day 4 of the Test match. It was Bumrah's day all the way. He bowled amazingly well and really put the pressure on Australia. He took 3 big wickets really quickly. Travis Head for just 1 run, Mitchell Marsh for a duck, meaning he got out without scoring, and Alex Carey also for a duck. And guess what? This got Bumrah to a super impressive 200 Test wickets in his career. But that wasn't all. Mohammed Siraj was also on fire with the ball. He got rid of important batsmen like Usman Khawaja for 21 runs and Steve Smith for only 13. By the end of the day, Australia was struggling at 93 runs for 6 wickets, still way behind India's score of 369. Now let's not forget how well India played on day 3. Nitish Kumar Reddy was amazing. He played so well and got his first ever Test century, scoring 114 runs. And his partnership with Washington Sundar, who made a very helpful 50 runs, was super important for India. The Melbourne pitch was definitely helping the bowlers, especially Bumrah. He knew exactly how to use the conditions to his advantage. It was a really exciting day of cricket, and India is in a really strong position right now. So who were the stars of the match so far? Well, it has to be Jasprit Bumrah for his incredible bowling and reaching that 200 wicket milestone. Nitish Kumar Reddy was fantastic for his first Test century. Mohammed Siraj bowled really well and got important wickets. And Washington Sundar played a great supporting role with his 50. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll be back with more updates soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. This is MKK The Daily Pulse signing off.